guys, it's Jason Bradley. I'm right here. If you can see me, there you can sort of see me. Hey guys, my dad and mom are asleep, so I have to be super quiet. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Super Mystery Dungeon for the Pokemon 3DS. My dad hits me if I wake him up, so I have to be very, very quiet. I'll be unboxing it though. I have to be hecka quiet. Thanks for watching.